Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you this website slash app that can make you $50 to $100 every 10 minutes. And yes, it's legit. In today's video, I'll show you how this works and how to get the results that you want. Now, I have been using this app for some time and I gotta say, it's amazing. Now, this app is available on iOS, Android, and on the computer, and it's free to install. It's also available worldwide. This method is very easy and simple if you follow these steps correctly, so make sure to watch the entire video. Now before we get into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, this is the website we're going to be talking about in this video. Now this website right here is really good. I've been using it for a while and I love it. So yeah, the website is called Digitalist, and it's one of the best websites I've used to make money online. So as you can see right here, it tells you that you can test websites, mobile apps, and different things, and you will be paid to test websites, apps. So you will just have to write a little review after testing something, and that's basically it. And this website pays very good. Alright, so I'll show you how to sign up and everything, so let's get right into that. Now if you see in the top right corner it says tester sign up. If you want to click on that, and then you will get to this page right here. And as you can see, it tells you get paid to test websites and apps. That's literally all you have to do. Test website, apps, and get paid. It's literally the easiest thing you can do. As you can see, it says register and earn money by completing the short and easy form on this page and join our global community of user testers. So you just want to sign up here and you'll be ready to go. Literally that simple. Now, as you can see right here, it tells you interact with a web or mobile app or other type of digital asset and speak your thoughts and emotion out loud as you do so, and answer a few questions. User testing is fun. So that's literally all you have to do. You gotta say what you think about the app, what they can improve, and you'll get paid. As you can see, they also say that you get paid via PayPal. Now I'm gonna read it out for you guys. Once your test results has been approved, depending upon the user test project, you can be paid $5, $10, $15, $20, and even $90 just by doing this. And these projects are about 10 minutes. So you can literally make from $5 up to $90 every 10 minutes, just like that. Like, this website is amazing. It's free to sign up. You don't have to pay anything, and you get paid just by reviewing website and apps. It's that easy. Like, think about it, $90 every time you do a project. That's around 10 minutes. It's amazing. Okay, so what kind of software and hardware do I need to do this? As you can see here, this works on desktop and on your mobile phone. On your iPhone, you gotta have iOS 11 or higher, and on Android, you gotta have Android 5.0 or higher. And then for the desktop, you have to have Mac with OS X 10.13 or higher, and on your PC with Windows 7 or higher. So if you want to download it on your phone, I'll show you how to do that. You just click sign up now, you write your information, and you will be taken to this. Now from here, just want to click install, and that's basically it. As you can see, this app right here has got a 4.1 rating, which is very good. It has got 1003 ratings, which is it's amazing. As you can see, there's a lot of good feedback right here. So yeah, this app is very good. Now as you can see right here, these are their clients. So they have Microsoft, Google, like all of these big clients right here. So when you're doing your review, be honest, because these companies are big, so just be honest, tell like what you think about it, and that's basically it. Now that was it for this video. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below, and I will be happy to help you. And yeah, that's basically it. This works really good. I've been making money on this website, so make sure to try it out. If you don't like it, you don't like it, but I almost promise you that this website works very good. And yeah, that was it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next video.